My people, how you na day today? I want yarn about 3 things wey fit make your teeth vex. Number one, no keep your toothbrush close to the toilet. That one na invitation for germs to chop your teeth. All the germs from number one and number two go just dey up on top your toothbrush, dey dance like odogu. Before you know your teeth don't turn color yellow like ripe pawpaw. My brother and my sister beg no put your toothbrush for toilet again unless you wan use scrub the toilet bowl. Number two, sharing toothbrush cup na crime. Some of you, family of 10, all your toothbrush dey inside one cup. E be like say your toothbrush dey travel inside moldware. All the brushes just dey rub on top each other. All the kind bacteria and germs from everybody mouth just dey hold meeting for your toothbrush alone. Each toothbrush need in space, so no dey sanding your toothbrush together again. Number three, change your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months. Abeg, no form my tooth like if you don old, throw away if you don't get sick for a while, change after you recover. My people, take care of una tooth. Like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Abeg.